In this video, we are going to discuss about the PDU information and their characteristics and attributes in practical in the packet tracer.
So it's very clear that we explains the information displayed in a PDU and how to use challenge mode in a PDU information window. So here first we have to go to the simulating mode, and you can see here that two PCs are connected to a server, and you can, when you click on the capture forward, you can see clearly that a packet from PC 1 is forwarded to server 0, but you can see the packet is dropped when it reached the destination server 0. So coming to PDU, so when you click on this, you get a window which is PDU information at device server 0. So it gives you clear OSI model, and you can see at device server 0 the source is PC 1 and destination is clearly given, which is auto DHCP given the destination IP address. So in layers you can see that for the layer 1 the gigabit Ethernet received the frame, and then the frame's destination MAC address matches the receiving port MAC address, the broadcast address and the multicast address. So the second point is the divide decapsulate the PDU from the Ethernet frame. So this is in the layer 2. Coming to layer 3, if you can see, the packet destination IP address matches the device's IP address or the broadcast address. So then the device will de-encapsulates the packet. So coming to the layer 4, so since there is no service running, so that to listen on this port, the device drops the segment. So if there is any service running on the port, which is a listening port, so that the device will accept and it will give you a tick mark symbol stating in a green color, so that means the packet is received by the destination. So in the same way, if you go into the inbound PDU details, it clearly gives that Ethernet 2 has this packet details about permeable, destination MAC address, source MAC address, type of data, data variable length, etc. In the same way, IP address is in this form. It is clearly given with data, destination IP address, source IP address, etc. If you see about the UDP, it has the source port number, destination port number, length and checksum value with data variable length. Coming to DHCP, this is the format of DHCP given with client address, server address, relay agent address, client hardware address and server host name. So this is about the inbound PDU details about PDU information at device server 0. So when you click on capture forward, you can see that clearly this is forwarded from PC 0 to server. So when you click on PCs, if you click on this thing again, now it will give you the details of PC 0 sending it to server details. In the same way, if you click on back, it will again go back to PC 0. So when you double click on it, you see the outbound PDU details. So it clearly, the outer layer you can see clearly, when you click on layer 1, the fast Ethernet 0 sends out the frame. So coming to the next layer, the next hop IP address is a broadcast, and also the ARP processes sets the frame destination MAC address to the broadcast MAC addresses, and the device encapsulates this PDU into an Ethernet frame. So when you click on the next layer, you can see clearly the destination IP address is in the same subnet. The device sets the next hop to destination details. So coming to UDP source port number and destination port number, the device encapsulates the PDU into an UDP segment. And you can see the last there, the DHCP client constructs a discover packet and sends it out. So this is the step by step of the OSI model in the device PC 0. So coming to outbound PDU details, you have the PDU formats clearly, and the formats for Ethernet 2 is the same which we discussed for the server 0, and IP PDU format, UDP PDU format and DHCP PDU format clearly explained here. So this is about the PDU information as well as about the information which is available about the PDU formats here. So coming to the create PDU, if you click on here, then it will give create complex PDU. So you can see about the source settings here clearly. The source device is PC0 and outgoing port number which you can select or which you have an option called auto select port. The below that you can see PDU settings. So here they have many settings of PDU to select the applications like DNS, Finger, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, etc. From there we have selected ping. So you can give the destination IP address, or else you can directly click on the destination device so that it will automatically choose the IP address and enter the source IP address, sequence number and size of the packet so that it can create a complex PDU. You can see the simulation settings clearly below that. It is one shot, another one is periodic. That means one shot time frame or else a periodic interval. So when you click on create PDU, it will create a complex PDU. So this is about the PDU information and advanced features like creating complex PDU, etc.